In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom email template to Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, start a new template, choose your design approach, and get to the editor where you can fine-tune everything. First, open your browser and head to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. Select your Google account and complete any prompts to access your workspace. Once you're in, look for the marketing area in the main navigation. This is where email campaigns and templates live, so click Marketing to continue. Inside Marketing, go to Templates. You'll see your existing templates and options to create new ones. Click Create Template to start fresh. You'll begin on a setup page where you'll enter the core details for your email. Give your template a clear, memorable name. A helpful tip is to use a simple naming convention, like newsletter, product launch, month, year, so you can find it later. Next, add your subject line. Keep it concise and clear. Aim for something that sets the right expectation and avoids spammy phrases. If you already use personalization, you can plan to add it here later in the editor, but for now, a straightforward subject works great. Then, add your preview text. This is the short line that appears next to the subject in most inboxes, so think of it as a supportive pitch that expands on your subject without repeating it. When those fields look good, click Next Step to move into the design options. Here you have two main paths. If you want a quick start, choose Template Gallery. This gives you a collection of pre-built designs that you can customize with your brand colors, images, and content. It's a great option if you'd like a professionally structured layout without coding. If you have your own HTML or prefer full control, choose Code Your Own. You can paste your HTML directly or work with your code in the editor. For best results, make sure your CSS is compatible with major email clients. Use inline styles where appropriate, and keep image paths correct so everything renders properly. If your design includes web fonts or external assets, have fallbacks ready to maintain consistency. Once you've selected the approach that fits your needs, click Save and continue. Brevo will open the editor where you can refine your layout, adjust styles, and update copy. Use the preview options to check how your template appears on desktop and mobile, and ensure your key message is clear at a glance. That's it. You've created a custom email template pathway in Brevo and arrived at the editor ready to polish your design.